Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Brandon Watts, and today I'm just going to show you what's my normal workflow process looking like using custom actions. How fast can we go compared to the video I posted earlier, which took about 30 minutes to explain it step by step. This time I'm not going to explain it. I'm just going to go through the normal settings and we'll see how fast we can go. All right, so let's go and get started here in Photoshop. And there you have it. That's a done image that I would send off to a real estate agent. It doesn't really take that long to edit an image, so I appreciate y'all coming by. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next video.